We're back here in southern Ohio, Wayne National Forest, doing the Archer's Fork Loop. Beautiful late winter, early spring day. Sitting about 60 degrees. Say, for it being early March, first week of March, it is gorgeous for southern Ohio right now.
Beautiful March day.
We're at our next stopping point, the Natural Bridge. It's getting hot out here, not gonna lie. I had to cut down the melee. Started getting a little sweaty, so I cut down a layer. Now we're gonna check out the Natural Bridge, take a little pit stop, and be farther on our way.
the mountaineers. Home to the mountaineers.
Alright, we made it to camp. We got this gorgeous view of these ledges. Well, we got camp all set up. Did about 10 miles today. Had a good workout. And gonna eat some food, just sit around the campfire, and then we'll go to bed. And wake up tomorrow and hike out of here. Alright, so we're in the hammocks now. We ate. I had a breakfast skillet from Pete's Refuel. We just sat around the fire. It got dark pretty fast. And now we're just in the hammocks going to bed. It is, let's see, 9:20 p.m. So early night, but we're gonna get some sleep and we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. It's about 6:45. Yeah. Oh yeah, Daddy. Woke up to some rain. Sun's just now starting to come up, as you can see. Got the food bag. And I gotta make some coffee, some breakfast, and we got a short hike out of here today. So, got that going for us. Alright, we're all geared up and ready to go. It is raining on our way out today, so I got a rain jacket on. And let's head out. Made it back to the trailhead, so we just got like a quick 0.1 back to the car, and that's it. We had a pretty good weekend. Now it's definitely time to go stuff our face at the nearest restaurant. See you in the next one.